Just going to have a quick look at Buccaneer. Okay, so Bcc. On the data I've got on it here, I'm pretty sure this is all of it. From the high to the lows, our fib set here, and what we find is the Alamo, which is running right along in here, is around about 12 cents. So if it does get up to this point, it might have a little bit of a problem in getting through it. Okay, so I would bear that in mind. Other thing to note is ranges that it's done in the past, which is this range here. Okay, it's repeated it down here before. Okay, if it is to do it again, one would be thinking up around the old high is where it could go to. The reason why I'm saying that is basically at the moment it's part way through a golden cross, and if we zoom in, this is a second fib set I've put in here from this other high because these guys really aren't in play yet. Okay, this outer fib set's still not in play, so we'll have a look at that high there and see what things it throws up. Okay, mainly that last fib set I was talking about on this one here, the Alamo is throwing up in here. Okay, so we're just going to see if that is going to hold it, and at the moment that is where it is, and it's the stock is sitting right on it. But I've drawn this for a small fib for this run. Okay, and we can see that just below 5.5 is our 61.8%, okay, which is a strong reversal. And also here at, let's just find out what that is. It is smack on 5.9. Yeah, 5.9. Okay. The thing is, what I'd be expecting to happen here is we've had the first leg of the Golden Cross go through, the 200, the second leg's coming up. When they do this, they can do a bit of a down and a little bit sideways. Now, our standard error band is pointing down, okay, and they can get oversold when they're doing it, even though I think the indicators probably show it's been overbought. Okay. The other thing is the other moving averages are starting to move up. Okay. As they go through there, it'll get stronger and stronger, and off she'll basically go. So you'd be looking at these levels here, and don't forget, each time it opens in the morning, these will come up higher. So I'd be expecting this 200-day moving average just in here, probably around about the 5.7, 5.8. should support it, and it's also pretty close to that 50%, so it might just do a little bleed through. It might just come down and take out the 61.8, and then off she goes again, because just basically, we'll just have a look at the indicators, and the indicators are definitely saying off the MACD wants to come down. Whether it just wants to come down and make a nice divergence along this line here, seems to have done it in the past, seems to have liked it, and our SCOF is definitely coming off. That is for sure. A short sell has been triggered a few days back, as you can see, and the DEMA, which is up at about 60, is now heading back down. Whether it comes the whole way down and retests the 54, yet we don't know. But having the little short entries and short exits up here is still suggesting that the stock is bullish here at this point. Okay, is what I tend to be thinking. So I think probably an off week for Buccaneer, and then it could possibly go on with it after that. Okay, the weekly indicators are still pointing up, even though we've got a short exit in there as well. Our MACD is still pointing up, and so is our SCOF, but we just need an increase in volume, I think, on the upside when it goes. So overall trend, I'd still say is bullish. even though it's just going to get a little bit of off to sideways over the next week. That's what I tend to be thinking. Just having a look at Ord, ORD, which is Ord River Resources. Just taking a fib set. This is not the overall. It's still not in play, so we're going to take it from that high of 9 back down to the low. Another one with a nice little golden cross, sort of in the making and happening. You can see what happened last time. It did it, so it was a nice little range there. I wonder if we're going to get a repeat of that range or not. We don't know, but if we did, it'd more or less taking it, probably take it from there to there. Okay, it's up around the 8 cents level, or 7.3, somewhere around about that would be something to look at. Just on fib projections, take a projection off the fibs from the breakout point, and this basically here too looks like a little pennant, and it looks like a bullish little an ascending triangle, so something to bear in mind there. But we just look at from that basically breakout level. This is what levels we would possibly be looking at. We all line up pretty well to test the old high. Let's have a look and see what the indicators are saying on this one as well. There we go. Your MACD is just basically wants to kick up here, and we're trying to create a little buy signal here. Let's try it 2 or 3 times. Short entry, which is short entry for a long. Okay, so looking at that there, that all looks pretty positive, and that's a nice bounce off the 54. After it's been through, it comes back, bounces off the 54, and away they go again. I actually scan for stocks that bounce through the 54, and then off they go again. And this is actually one that came up on my scan a couple of days ago, and I was just keeping a little eye on it, and then the buggers went into trading halt, and it'd be your luck, wouldn't it? There you go. Just to confirm a breakout, what it'd need to do is probably get through this line here, top. Okay, that'd definitely confirm a breakout, but to me it just needs a bit more volume. But all's looking pretty good for Ord, I'd be tending to think. I'll just have a quick look on the weekly indicators as well. Yeah, the demon's still got a long way to go, and it's created another short entry here. Scott's getting a bit high. Whether it's going to go up here and stuff around for a while, I don't know. And MACD is still flatlining, so it could be the case of all these guys will turn up again before what do you call it? Before when she really takes off on the daily chart. But yeah, that demo has got a long way to go. So this could be a good run, a good long term nice uptrend. Okay, is what I tend to be thinking that this could be for this stock. Okay, we'll have to wait and see. Okay, thank you.